Hi guys, David bought me a mask. I mask. How you say it, Dad? Because
It's a mask.
every like I wake up 3 o'clock. It's very bright already, and then I cannot go back to sleep. So I left my phone downstairs because if I have the phone, the more I cannot go to sleep. So we'll see how it looks like.
Right, come on then, I'll open it through there.
Open it. Come on, show it here.
There we go.
Here.
Ready, folks?
Sige na. Pagdali, kay only less than a minute ang video. Put it in my eyes faster. Ay, kuan dahil siya. It's good because it's padded inside of. No.
Right here.
Put it in my eyes. Dali.
Hurry up.
No, more than a minute na. Okay.
There.
Ah, that's good. It's really dark. I cannot see that.
No?
No.
Honestly? Let me
Try
see.
it, try it.
I bet it's too tight. Is that not tight? Is that tight enough?
Yeah.
Or slacker?
It's tight enough. It's a good one.
Oh my god, that's better than my hair. Mess my hair up. Where's the hairbrush?